Okay, so I just wanted to show you one more thing about how, if you choose Unreal Engine, select it for the first time and start it, it actually comes with the Unreal Engine Launcher itself. So the screen that you're going to see is going to be different than the one that I showed you in the previous screen. Yeah, so you have the launcher, and this is basically the same thing with what we had with the application settings in the previous video. So what you can do is I'm just gonna copy the server address. I'm gonna just add the name, and the depot path is again where it's going to find the executables. So you just come here again, copy this path, add it, and click connect. It's gonna check for the updates, and if everything is as is, you're just gonna see the same screen again. But so the thing is, like, after I've done this, I wanted to just reset it, and unfortunately there is like nothing in here, and you cannot basically just delete this because it then just defaults to whatever that you inputted at the first time. And then if you click OK, it's probably gonna go check again, try to check for the connection and the updates. But let's see. So yeah, you cannot get the login status with this. So if you cancel it again, it's just going to basically reset it back to normal. And I had to go into the code to see where everything is stored. And so in reality, when you check it, just go to your users, and inside here, you need to go to the app data for this remotely check the hidden items. And inside local, there's Unreal Game Sync. So these are all the temporary files, like the application data that it creates, including the cache, and like the tools also is going to be here, and the latest information. So like Unreal Game Sync is also here, because this is the one actually that it gets from the server. If you look at the installation itself, in here, Unreal Game Sync, no, in this, yeah, here. There's actually just like the localizations and the APIs. It's just actually just the launcher itself. But when you start this, it actually starts the exe itself, the Unreal Game Sync itself. And you can delete it. Basically just go back to app data in here. You can delete this, which is also, it's actually open, which is also what I did in the first place, thinking this is gonna just give me the launcher screen again, but it does not. And the reason is those settings are actually stored as a registry entry. So I had to go deep into the code, and in utility. So if you go to Unreal Game Sync under the utility.cs, line 377 in my case has this registry key. So basically this is saved as a key, a registry element, and subkeys under software Epic Games Unreal Game Sync. So if you want to see it, well, how you come here, it says usually just right from the registry editor. You need to get the current user, and under software you have Epic Games, and under this you have everything related to Unreal Game Sync launcher data that's being saved. So like we can see the server and port address, the username, where is the depot located. So if you want to reset this and see it, just delete this entry. And now if you start Unreal Game Sync, it's going to show you the initial launcher screen. Yeah, so you can just basically set it up again. So which server you want to set it as default, the user and the depot path. And yeah, just click connect after this, and you'll be good to go again.